Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Greater Regional Championship. Today we bring you the final contest from the Greater Accra region, which features Presbyterian Boys Senior High School, Accra Academy, Tema Methodist Senior High School, and Chemu Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Close to me, we have Presbyterian Boys Senior High School, represented by
Benedict Party Doughty.
And
Morte Selinam Kofi.
Thank you very much, Presec. Then Accra Academy is represented by
Ukachuku Jubilee.
Balani Philip.
And
Balani Philip.
Philip. Thank you, Accra Academy. Next to them is Tema Methodist Senior High School, and they are represented by
Ejeku Michael Pablo.
and
Answer Philip.
Philip. Thank you, Tema Methodist. Then we move to Chemu Senior High School. They are represented by
Japheth.
Go ahead.
Japheth.
Justice Sapon Frimpong.
The Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goil, with support from Joy News. We acknowledge also the support of CHAS in preparing these brilliant students to participate in this competition. This is a primetime production. I am Mrs. Rachel Ano, your quiz mistress. Contestants, you have 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 is a round with questions generally in physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations. Without calculations, you have 10 seconds. For bonus, you have 5 seconds. Your major question, when answered rightly, is worth 3 points. When it's wrong, there is no deduction here. However, it's passed on to any school that rings for it, and it's the bonus when answered correctly is 1 point, but carries a penalty of 1. All the best to each school. I start with Presbyterian Boys Senior High School. Preamble to all schools. Evaluate A and B if x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 2 is divided by presec. The expression in brackets x minus 1 multiplying another expression in brackets x plus 1. The remainder is 2x plus 1. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so we have the value of A to B. That's A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 1.
Exactly. Accra Academy. In brackets, the expression x minus 1, multiplying another expression in brackets, x minus 2. The remainder is 3x minus 2. Yes, go ahead.
A is equal to -4 and B is equal to 5.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. So B is 5, but A is -3. Tema Methodist Senior High. The expression in brackets x plus 1, multiplying another expression in brackets x minus 2. The remainder is 5x minus 4. Okay, go ahead. Your hand was up.
A is equal to -9 and B is equal to -6.
That's incorrect. Bonus. So A is -2, B is 4. Chemu Senior High. The expression in brackets x minus 2, multiplying another expression in brackets x plus 2. The remainder is 3x plus 6. Yes.
A is equal to 4 and B is equal to -8.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Yes. Presby boys.
A is equal to 2 and B is -1.
Simple. Preamble to all schools. In an isosceles trapezium, find the length of the bases if in an isosceles trapezium, find the length of the bases if per sec, each leg is 5 centimeters, the altitude is 3 centimeters, and the area is 39 centimeters squared. Yes.
Okay, so the lengths of the bases are given as, we have 18 centimeters and 8 centimeters.
That's incorrect. Bonus. I'll come back to it. Accra Academy. Each leg is 17 centimeters. The altitude is 15 centimeters. And the area is 300 centimeters squared. Yes, go ahead.
So the bases are 34 centimeters and 6 centimeters.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Okay. Tema Methodist. Each leg is 13 centimeters. The altitude is 12 centimeters, and the area is 120 centimeters squared. Yes.
So their bases are 13 centimeters and 7 centimeters.
Incorrect. Bonus. Chemu Senior High. Each leg is 10 centimeters. The altitude is 8 centimeters. And the area is 96 centimeters squared. Yes.
The lengths are 6 centimeters and 16 centimeters.
2 out of 3. So 6 centimeters and 18 centimeters. Then to you, Tema Methodist was 5 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Then Accra Academy, 12 centimeters, 28 centimeters. Then Presec, 9 centimeters, 17 centimeters. Preamble to all schools. A spherical object has radius r and density rho. A spherical object has radius r and density rho. Prosec, if r equals 470 kilometers and rho is 2.0 gram per centimeter cube, find the magnitude of the gravitational field 30.0 kilometers above the surface of the object. Yes.
The magnitude is given as, let me see the words. The magnitude of the field at that point is, do you have anything? 1.28 by 10 to the power 2 meters per second square.
That's incorrect.
Let me see that.
Accra Academy. If r equals 470 kilometers and rho equals 2.0 gram per cm cube, find the magnitude of the gravitational force on a 4.0 kilogram particle, 80.0 kilometers above the surface of the object. Bonus? Okay, go ahead, yo.
The force is 4.0 times 10 to the power negative 14 Newton.
That's incorrect. Bonus? Tema Methodist. If r equals 1,200 kilometers and rho equals 2.4 grams per cm cube, find the magnitude of the gravitational field 300 kilometers above the surface of the object. Bonus. Chemu Senior High. If r equals 1,200 kilometers and rho is 2.4 grams per cm cube, find the gravitational potential energy of a 5.0 kilogram object on the surface of the object. Yes.
The gravitational potential is 5.60 times 10 exponent negative 11 Newton per kilogram.
That's incorrect. So to Chemu, 4.8 megajoules. To Tema Methodist, 0.51 meters per second squared. Accra Academy, 0.77 newtons. Presec, 0.23 meters per second squared. Preamble. A small magnet whose magnetic dipole moment has magnitude m is on the axis of a circular coil of radius r at a distance r above the coil. The current in the coil is I. Find the greatest energy the magnet can have given that, presec, m equals 2.0 ampere meter squared. I equals 2.5 ampere. And R equals 0.20 meters. Yes.
The energy is 5.0 millijoules.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Accra Academy. M equals 3.0 ampere meter squared. I equals 5.0 ampere. And R equals 0.50 meters. Yes.
1.9 times 10 to the power negative 5 joules.
Incorrect. Bonus. Tema Methodist. M equals 3.5 ampere meter squared. I equals 4.0 ampere. And R is 0.50 meters. Yes.
4.75 joules.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Chemu Senior High School. M equals 5.0 ampere meter squared. I equals 3.0 ampere. And R equals 0.30 meters. Yes.
The force is 1.8 Newton.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Okay. So, to Chemu Senior High, 11 microjoules. To Tema Methodist, 6.2 microjoules. Accra Academy, 6.7 microjoules. And Presec, 5.6 microjoules. The next set is 10 seconds. Presec, sorry, listen to the preamble, all of you. How do the following affect the turbidity of water in an inland water body? How do the following affect the turbidity of water in an inland water body? Presec, algal growth. Okay.
So when there's algal growth, the turbidity of an inland water body is going to increase because the growth of the algae tends to cloud the water surface.
I'll give it 2 out of 3. And then when the algae grows and decompose in the water, that's what causes that. Okay. To Accra Academy, waste discharge. Yes?
So the waste discharge increases the turbidity of the water, and this is because some of the waste discharges can cause the growth of certain microorganisms such as algae, which would then decompose in the water body, leading to an...
Perfect. Tema Methodist. Urban runoff.
Urban runoff will lead to the washing of soil particles into the water bodies due to soil erosion, and this will cause the turbidity to increase because the soil particles will cause the inability of the soil particles to settle in the water body will cause the water body to become cloudy.
Okay, I can give you 2 out of 3. So the suspended particles in the water may not settle quickly, and that will lead to all that you said. Chemu Senior High, erosion.
So erosion would increase turbidity, since erosion will lead to the washing away of the soil particles into the soil. Into the water body, sorry. These soil particles will take a longer time to be able to settle, and hence would increase the cloudiness of the water body.
2 out of 3. So before all that you said, sediments from the soil erosion may get washed into the water body, okay? The next set is also 10 seconds. Preamble. How does the tongue help in performance of the given bodily function? Presec, tastes. Yes?
So the tongue has taste buds present on its surface, which have different chemicals in it to indicate that allows the body to identify the taste of some food substance that is taken into the body, and also it helps to detect toxins present in the food taken in.
1 out of 3. So the tongue transmits taste signals to the brain and helps in sensing the taste. You should have added all these. Okay, Accra Academy. Mouth moistening. Yes.
So the tongue has certain glands that secrete saliva, such as the sublingual glands, and these glands help to secrete saliva, which helps to moisten the mouth and hence provides moisture to the mouth.
Okay, I'll give you 2 out of 3. So the tongue secretes mucus and serous fluid as well. So we should include that. The next one, Tema Methodist Senior High School. Deglutition or deglutition. Yes. Go ahead.
The tongue secretes saliva. The tongue has glands which secrete saliva, and this saliva helps in breaking down sugars or starch into glucose.
2 out of 3. So when it does that, what happens? It makes food easy to swallow. Chemu Senior High. Speech. Yes.
So the tongue moves up and down. This up and down movements of the tongue allows speech, and also this up and down movements of the tongue allows speech, or allows one to be able to speak fluently, and this facilitates speech.
Okay, I'll give you 2 out of 3 too. So you should have made mention of the muscles movements as well. Preamble. Identify the soluble and insoluble salts in the given sets, if any. Presec. The soluble salt present in CaSO4, MnCO3, AgBr, MgSO4. Yes.
Okay, so the soluble salt is AgBr.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Accra Academy.
CaSO4.
No. So it's MgSO4. Accra Academy. Insoluble salt present in MnCl2, NH4Br, PbNO3, SrSO4. Yes.
SrSO4.
Perfect. Tema Methodist. Soluble salt present in AgSO4, PbCl2, AlPO4, BAS. Yes.
So PbCl2.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Chemu Bell. Good. Go ahead.
The soluble salt is AlPO4.
No. So it's BAS. Chemu, press the bell again. Try your bell to Presec. Try. Akraka. Presec, try it again. Chemo. Thank you. Oh, a round of applause to them. Let's give them a round of applause. Chemu Senior High School, insoluble salt present in MnCl2, K3PO4, Al in brackets OH subscript 3, Sr in brackets OH subscript 2. Yes?
The insoluble salt is Al, open a bracket, OH, close the bracket, subscript 3.
Excellent. The last set for this round, preamble to all schools. Listen attentively. When the given compound reacts with a limited amount of bromine in the presence of sunlight, one major monobrominated product is formed. Give the name of the product. Presec. 2-methylpropane.
Bromo 2-methylpropane.
Yes. Accra Academy. Cyclobutane. Yes.
1-bromocyclobutane.
Yes, I'll accept it. Tema Methodist. Ethyl cyclopentane. Yes.
2-bromo-ethyl cyclopentane.
No. Yes, Presec.
1-bromo 2-ethyl cyclopentane.
No. One bromo, 1-ethyl cyclopentane. Chemu Senior High. 2,2-dimethylpropane. Yes, go ahead.
1-bromo 2-methylpropane.
No. Accra Academy.
1-bromo 2,2-dimethylpropane.
Excellent. The end of round 1.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So we are done with round one, but before I announce the scores for round one, let's address these issues. One from Chemu Senior High School. Indeed, the soil particles does not settle quickly. Okay, I gave that to you, but soil erosion washes the topsoil or the topsoil water into the topsoil into the water body, and you should mention the process. No, I didn't hear that. I'm not accepting this. I gave you partial mark for that, and it's okay. Then to Presec. Yes, Accra Academy didn't mention mucus, and that led to the subtraction of -1. Then to Tema Methodist, the same thing, the particles suspending in water. Yes, that causes the cloudiness. But what happened before the particles got into the water? That is why I subtracted -1. So take the 2 points and let's end round 2 with these points. At the end of, round 1 with these points. At the end of round 1, the Methodist Senior High School had 4 points. Chemu Senior High School had 8 points. Presbyterian Boys Senior High School 9 points. Accra Academy 13 points. We have just started the journey. We are moving on to round 2. So round 2 is a round of speed. Here I'll present to all the schools the same question. You attempt it firstly and get it right, you have 3 points. Second, you have 2 points. Third or fourth, you have 1 point. You have 1 attempt only. If you draw my attention and you delay and the next school rings, I'll pass on. And you have penalty of 1. If you ring the bell and you get it wrong too, you have a penalty of 1. All the best. Speed 1. Express log of the expression in brackets with numerator x cubed y squared over z to the power 4 plus log of the expression in brackets z squared over xy as a single, okay, Presec?
As a single logarithm, it's log of the expression, a fraction with a numerator, x squared y, and denominator, z squared.
Perfect. The next one. Evaluate expression in brackets, sine 56 degrees, sine 64 degrees, minus, okay, Chemu Senior High. Go ahead.
We have it to be root 6 minus root 2 all over 4.
Let me proceed. Tema Methodist, okay.
We had root 3 on 2.
No. So minus cos 56 degrees, cos 64 degrees. That expression all over sine 30 degrees. Accra Academy.
-1.
That's incorrect. Presby boys.
1.
Simple. The next one. Factorize simplifies completely. 27x to the power 3 minus 8. Okay.
So we have two expressions multiplying.
Hold on. Yes. Per sec. Okay.
So in the first bracket, we have 3x minus 2y. That expression in brackets. Multiplying the second expression in brackets. 9x squared plus 6xy plus 4y squared.
Excellent. The next one. Find the next one. Find the kinetic energy of a solid sphere of radius 2.0 meters rotating about an axis through its center at 5.0 rad per second. Yes, Chemu.
70 joules.
No. Given that the sphere is made up of material of density 5.0 grams per cm cube. So 3.4 megajoules. The next one. A 2-kilogram particle moving with velocity 3 meters per second collides with an oncoming 3-kilogram particle moving at negative 2 meters per second. Find the impulse of the impact force on the 2-kilogram particle if the coefficient of restitution for the collision is 0.5. Yes, per sec.
12 Newton second.
I'm sorry. Negative 9 Newton seconds. The next one. Express the luminous efficacy 683. Sorry. Express the luminous efficacy 683 IM what? Okay, you are going for it.
We have 683 IM kilogram second to the power negative 3.
No. In scientific notation using SI-based units. Wrong. Tema Methodist.
6.83 times 10 to the power 2I meter cube kilogram second to the power negative 3.
No. Who rang? Chemu, okay.
6.83 times 10 exponent to IM kilogram second to the power negative 3.
No. 6.83 times 10 to the power positive 3 CD S to the power, okay, let me mention it in candela. S, that's seconds to the power 3, kilogram to the power negative 1, and meters to the power negative 2. You didn't clap for me. I answered it. The next one. How is the liver a storage organ? Yes, Presec?
So the liver is a storage organ in the sense that it stores some vitamins in it, and also the vitamins stored are specifically vitamin A, and it also stores excess glucose in the form of glycogen.
No, I can't accept it. Who rang next? Chemu.
So the liver is considered a storage organ because the liver stores fat-soluble vitamins as well as glucose, excess glucose in the form of glycogen by the stimulation when glucagon is stimulated to allow it to store excess glucose in the form of glycogen.
No. Did anyone ring again? Okay. So it stores vitamins, glucose, and minerals in the body. No partial mark. What are nectaries? Okay.
Nectaries refers to parts of a flower that are responsible for producing and secreting nectar, which attracts insects for pollination.
No. Who rang next? 3. Tema Methodist.
Nectaries are structures found at the base of the ovary, which are responsible for producing nectar.
No. Is that all? What secretes the nectar? They have floral or extrafloral glandular organs that secrete nectar in plants. The nectar is not in the air. Thank you. The next one. Describe the stigma of a wind-pollinated flower. Yes, Presec?
So the stigma of a wind-pollinated flower is very long, thin, and slender, and hangs outside of the flower so as to be able to the pollen, so that the pollen that is being pollinated to it can easily stick onto it.
The next one. Upon decomposition of 21 grams of magnesium carbonate, 9.2 grams of magnesium oxide is formed. Calculate the percentage yield of magnesium oxide in, okay. Come again?
92%.
Perfect. Phosphine. Phosphine, okay? Phosphine pH 3 undergoes combustion in oxygen gas to form water and tetraphosphorus decaoxide. How many moles of water vapor can be produced from 8 moles of phosphine? Accra Academy. Go ahead.
We have 12 moles. 12 moles.
Yes. The last one, 80.06. go ahead. Okay. So I proceed. 80.0 cm cube of a 0.40 mole per dm cube HBr solution is completely neutralized by adding NaOH to a total volume of 144 cm cube. Calculate the initial concentration of the base added. Yes, Presec?
0.50 mole per dm cube.
Yes. The end of the speed race.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Okay, welcome back from the short commercial break. One issue here to address from Chemu Senior High. If it was your major question, I will gladly give you 2 out of 3. But here, minerals were not mentioned. So I cannot give that to you for speed race concerning storing insoluble, soluble. They are all good. They are true, but it's partial. For speed race, no partial mark. I'm sorry, I cannot accept it. Before I announce the scores, to effect substitution for Chemu Senior High School, Frederick Kankam is coming in for Japheth Minta. Then to Tema Methodist Senior High School, Nana Kwame Afol is coming in for Philip Ansa. So Nana Kwame and Frederick, you are welcome. We just ended round 2. At the end of round 2, Tema Methodist Senior High School had 1 point. Chemu Senior High School 4 points. Accra Academy 13 points, Presbyterian Boys Senior High School 21 points. Round 3 is a round of true or false. Here, I'll present a statement to each school. You tell me whether the statement is true or false. Correct answer merits 2 points. If you answer wrongly, penalty of 1. A school can decide not to answer. It's passed on to any other school that ranks first for it. And it's 2 full points when it's correct, but a penalty of 1 when wrong. Best wishes to all of you. Preamble. Theta is an angle measure. Theta is an angle measure. Presec. If cos theta is greater than 0, then theta is in the first and third quadrants.
False.
Yes, a false statement. Accra Academy. If sine theta is less than 0, then theta is in the second and third quadrants. Yes?
False.
Yes, a false statement. Tema Methodist. If tan theta is less than 0, then theta is in the second and third quadrants.
False.
Yes, it's false. Chemu Senior High School. If cos theta is less than 0, then theta is in the second and fourth quadrants.
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. Preamble. In the following, it's supposed to be A. In the following, A is a real number. Presec. Root of the expression in brackets A squared is equal to A. Yes?
False.
Yes, it's false. Accra Academy. Cube root of A cube is equal to A. Yes?
True.
Yes, it's true. Tema Methodist. Root of the expression in brackets A to the power 4 is equal to A squared.
True.
Yes, it's true. Chemu Senior High. Root of expression in brackets A to the power 6 is equal to A cubed. Yes?
True.
No, it's a false statement. Preamble. The magnitude of the resultant of two forces equals root 2 times the magnitude of their difference. Presec. The two forces are perpendicular to each other.
False.
Yes, it's false. Accra Academy. The magnitude of the resultant of the two forces equals 2 times their dot product. Yes?
True.
No, it's a false statement. Tema Methodist. The angle between the forces is acute.
True.
Yes, it's true. Chemu Senior High. The square of the magnitude of the difference between the two forces equals 4 times their dot product. Yes.
False.
It's a true statement. Preamble. Two otherwise isolated systems, A and B, of energies, EA and EB, are in thermal contact. Presec, both EA and EB fluctuate, but EA plus EB remains fixed. Yes, true. Accra Academy. The fluctuations in EA and EB tend to zero as thermal equilibrium is approached. Yes.
True.
It's a false statement. Tema Methodist. In thermal equilibrium, either EA is maximum or EB is maximum.
False.
Yes, a false statement. Chemu High. In thermal equilibrium, EA is equal to EB. Yes?
True.
No, it's a false statement. Presec. Gibberellins promote seed germination. Yes?
True.
Yes, it's true. Accra Academy. Gibberellins promotes leaf fall. Yes?
False.
Yes, a false statement. Tema Methodist. Gibberellins promotes leaf growth. Yes?
False.
Oh, it's a true statement. Chemu High. Gibberellins promotes fruit ripening. Yes.
False.
Yes, a false statement. Presec. Cartilaginous fish may be found in freshwater habitats. Yes?
False.
No, it's a true statement. Accra Academy. Cartilaginous fish fertilize externally. Yes? Come again?
True.
No, it's a false statement. Tema Methodist. Cartilaginous fish have unicercal tails.
False.
Yes, false. Chemu High. Cartilaginous fish are predators. Yes?
True.
Yes, it's true. Presec. Carboxylic acids react with bases to form carboxylate ions and water.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Accra Academy. The acidity of a carboxylic acid increases with increasing size of the alkyl group. Yes?
True.
No, it's a false statement. Tema Methodist. Carboxylic acids can undergo reduction to form alcohols.
False.
It's a true statement. Chemu Senior High. Carboxylic acids react with ammonia to form a primary amine when heated. Yes?
False.
Yes, it's false. The last set for this round. Presec. The order of a reaction refers to the sum of the exponents in the rate law for each reactant and product.
False.
Yes, it's false. Accra Academy. For a zero-order reaction, the rate is equal to the equilibrium constant.
True.
Yes, it's true. Tema Methodist. A reaction with larger activation energy will have a lower reaction rate than a reaction with smaller activation energy.
True.
Yes, it's true. Chemu Senior High School. For a zero-order reaction, the equilibrium constant is expressed in concentration per unit time. Yes?
False.
It is true, and it ends round 3.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Thank you very much. So at the end of round 3, Chemu Senior High School had 8 points. Tema Methodist Senior High School, 11 points. Accra Academy, 17 points. Presbyterian Boys Senior High School, 31 points. Round 4. Contestants, I'll present to you 4 riddles. You answer correctly On the first clue, you have 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third clue, thereafter, you have 3 points. Draw my attention with your bell when your answer is ready. No deductions here. Riddle 1. I am a quadrilateral. I have a pair of congruent opposite sides. I have 2 pairs of congruent adjacent angles. I have a pair of parallel sides. Go ahead, Tema Methodist.
Parallelogram.
Come again.
Parallelogram.
Let me proceed. My congruent sides are not parallel. I have a relation with an isosceles triangle. Yes, Presec? Go ahead.
Isosceles trapezium.
Exactly. 3 points. The next one. I am a physical phenomenon. I am exhibited by particular coupled systems. I occur when a specific relation exists between a dynamical property of 2 systems. I am identified with an extreme, sometimes violent, dynamical event. I am the phenomenon associated with sympathetic excitation of an oscillatory system. Who am I? Chemu High School. Go ahead.
Resonance.
Resonance. 3 points. The next riddle. I am a very useful synthetic material that could come from organic sources. Look around, and I am in life-saving equipment like helmets. I am usually a lightweight material. I am blamed for biodiversity. Okay, Presec?
Plastics.
Plastic. 3 points. The last riddle. I am a reaction. I am a reaction that reduces the boiling point of mixtures. I occur in hydrocarbons. I am employed in the production of fuels. I break heavy molecular. Okay.
Cracking.
I want to accept that. Chemu Senior High.
Thermal cracking.
Thermal cracking. 3 points. The end of round 4. Okay. So at the end of round 4, and in fact at the end of the contest, for the regional championship in Greater Accra region, let's listen to the scores. Tema Methodist Senior High School had 11 points. Chemu Senior High School, 14 points. Accra Academy, 17 points. Presbyterian Boys Senior High School, 37 points. Congratulations, Presbyterian Boys Senior High School, on winning the Greater Accra Regional Championship. Thank you for joining us for the GOIL Regional Championship from the Greater Accra region. The GOIL Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. This is a primetime production. I am Mrs. Rachel Lano, your quiz mistress.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
So to Tema Methodist for placing fourth, they've earned themselves 1,000 Ghana cedis. Can they be joined on stage by their coordinator? Coordinator for Tema Methodist. For placing third, Chemu Senior High School get 2,000 Ghana cedis. Can they be joined on stage by their coordinator? Now for placing second, Accra Academy and 3,000 Ghana cedis. Can they be joined on stage by their coordinator? And then finally, to the champions of the Greater Accra region, Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, 4,000 Ghana cedis. Now finally they'll be presented with a plaque by the quiz mistress. They'll be presented with a Greater Accra Regional plaque by the quiz mistress.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy.